food and... Ma'am, pwede punta muna tayo doon.
Dito muna. Oh, kain na. Kain ka ulit. Hindi na ano. Press mo. Down.
Come on, open up, open up, open up. Vlogging. Ano mag-vlog? Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. In today's vlog, we're gonna go down and we're gonna picture.
Ground floor. Going up.
Gagantuin ko. Okay.
It's kind of white, diba?
Ha? Huwag mo hinawakan pa. Ha? No lights pero wala mga. Halika lang.
Tingnan mo yun, elevator light. Punta tayo dun, pwede?
Sarado na nga, oh.
Hindi, doon.
Tignan mo yung McDo. Doon.
Punta tayo dun.
Dito, tignan.
Yun, tingnan mo naman yung box to.
Beans.
Hello guys, we are at Eastwood and today's vlog, we're gonna go to McDo and then go there. Come on, let's go.
Can you hold this for mommy?
Okay.
Ayusin lang ni mommy ano mo. Teka lang.
Ma'am.
Nakalabas oh.
Ma'am. Naka-pause ba?
Ha?
Is it paused?
Hindi siya
Is it-
nakapos.
Let's go. Dito nga.
There, I don't wanna go there. Nag-video ka ba? Naka-on ba?
Na-video. Ito ba? Pag 3, 2, 1.
Peg!
Are you kidding me? Pwede punta muna tayo doon. Ma'am, pwede punta muna tayo doon.
Dito muna. Saan?
Saan? Uli. Follow me.
I think wala na. Close na yung mall. Balik na tayo sa room natin.
No, gusto rin ng McDo. Hapudan, ma'am.
O di dun, let's go to McDo.
No.
Not here.
Ito muna, ma'am.
Oh!
Still open, dog.
Shower. Oh, meron pala ditong ano eh. Oh. Vince, look here. Yan lang. Low. Teka, sa likod mo nakalabas yung damit. Ayusin ni Mami. It's okay. Ganyan na lang. Lakad na tayo.
Mom, do you want to take a picture?
There? No, thanks. Vince, where are you going? Dito na lang. Ba't dyan? No, let's go back. Ha?
Let's take a tour over here.
Wala. Dito na lang yung anak. Paikot tayo doon. Nice. Ha? No. Wait for me. Vince. Huh?
I did the run dance.
Oh, yeah. Dito, Vince, oh. But it's closed. Vince. Come here. Here. Let's go back to our hotel.
No, Mama.
No?
No, we're going to Macdo.
Okay. Paano? Saan tayo magmamangko? Saan yun? Oh, yeah. There's McDonald's. That's for That's for Paji. Diba? Basa. I think it rained. McDonald's, here we come. Yes.
Favorite store. My favorite fast food restaurant.
Hi.
Hello. Welcome, Mail Destroyer. Mama, I named him Mail Destroyer.
Mel, this what?
Mail Destroyer.
Talaga?
Mail Destroyer the building. I love you, Mommy. Where's Mom ever?
I love you too.
No, no, no. Kaya na unenere. Pwede tayo mag-go. Bilis!
Going back now.
40, 30, 10,
Yeah, wala muna. Let's not.
9, 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0! Tingnan mo, Mama.
Yes.
There's the airplane.
Diyan tayo nagstay eh. Sa hotel na yan.
May, diba, Mom, nakakita ko hotel natin.
Oh, let's go to our
Nakita
hotel.
ko yung hotel natin.
Oh, let's go back.
Tingnan mo yung my fan.
Let's go, let's go.
Tingnan mo yung my fan.
Yes na, let's go.
Yeah, yeah, sure, huh?
No. Sige, walk ka. Sige.
You go in the lead and I go back.
Go! Go! There, mauna ka. I'm gonna take a video. Yes, dito na. My God. Dito na, dito na tayo papasok. Ha? Yeah, left na dito, left. Huwag ka nang dumaan dyan.
I got my motto.
Yes, it's already destroyed.
And this is Smell the Destroyer.
Ba't ganyan yung ano niya? Dito tayo, Liz. Here. Oo.
I think nandito na tayo. We just gotta go one more way.
One more. What?
One more way. Dito tayo pumunta. Pumunta tayo sila. See them mo, right out. Yeah, can't do it. Wanna like this?
Ayun, tumunog na. Wow. Good job, Vince. Sige, okay na. That's okay. Oh. Kain na. Kain ka ulit.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how
na. Oh, towel tayo. Hi. Okay. Okay, signature. Thank you. Balik ka na dito. Sayang. Pero, kailangan mag-swim din ako, no? Para masabakan kita. Vince! Hoy, huwag kang mag-shout. Oh. Yan. Oo nga, no. Ito. Come to mommy. Come to mommy here. Ayan, o.
Hello. I wanna go back to the stairs. I want to go back to the stairs.
Tayo na ano pa. Oh. Sige, tara na. Tapos gagana na yung paa mo. Huwag ka magtorpo bigat. Sabi ko, ba't lumubog? Sabi ko, ba't lumubog? Sige nga. Wow! O yan, nare-reach mo. Nakita ko yung feet mo. Nakita ko yung feet mo. Wow! Wow! O, taas na yung nose mo. Nose. Galing. Eh, kasi... Yeah, liga lang. I-open mamaya. No, it's already open, but... They open siya.
Dito close.
Ewan ko. 6 to 8 p.m. pala ang open ng swimming pool. Okay. No, we're going down. Here. You say thank you. Where should I put it? Lagay mo na dyan. Okay. Okay, that's good. We put it back. Say thank you.
Is this the elevator maybe? Or why are we going down?
Going to 31st.
31st?
Oo.
34th.
No.
Going up to 29th floor.
Yes. What? What are you
We're
gonna do?
gonna validate
Are-
this ticket.
Mm-mm.
Let's go. Oh, car!
Okay, we're gonna validate our ticket for the parking here at the mall. Say, go inside. You first, and then give it the ticket to ate. Both of them, anak. Thanks.
Okay, let's do now.
No, we're waiting for that. Beansy boy. Thank you. Have a good day. Let's go. Dito tayo, Vince. Vince! We're going back.